Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to order food from Uber Eats, how you can order it? So let's walk through how to order food from on Uber Eats in just a few steps. First, pick a spot you are hungry for. Scroll through or search for a restaurant you like. Found the one, tap it, browse the menu and start adding items to your cart. Customize your order if needed. Sauces, sides, toppings, you know the drill. When you are ready, hit view cart to see everything you are about to devour. Looks good to go to checkout. And double check your delivery details, address, contact info, payment. Make sure it's all set. All set? Tap place order and just like that, food's on the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to keep a like. Enjoy your meal.